Welcome to STS, Science, Technology, and the Society. My name is Adam, and I will be filling for your instructor today, namely Mr. Nario. Our topic for today will be about Element 1.3. Understand the importance of science and technology in the society. Let's begin. Humanity has continuously evolved, from hunter-gatherers to agrarian societies, from industrialization to today's information society. Since the dawn of time, we have strived to improve our circumstances with the aid of technology, and each transition from one stage to the next has brought with its new narratives, new ways of organizing ourselves, and new political power hierarchies. The most significant difference between then and now is the speed at which things are changing. Homo sapiens spent 200,000 years as a hunter-gatherer. The rate of change during this period was so slow that changes were not noticeable by any single individual. Generation after generation, we repeated ourselves, recreated what we had learned from our forefathers. 12,000 years ago, the agricultural revolution spread and supplanted hunters and gatherers over a period of a couple of thousand years. However, the agricultural revolution had more far-reaching consequences than just a new way of producing food. It brought with its towns, specialization, and new technologies. Technological development consequently had a big impact on how we organized ourselves. A mere 200 years ago, people's lives were transformed yet again by the technologies of industrialization. Industrialization meant using the power of machines instead of manpower, and the introduction of chemical production processes. The Industrial Revolution was a major milestone in our history and changed almost all aspects of our day-to-day lives. For the first time in history, the population as a whole experienced sustained improvement in its standard of living. Industrialization also meant explosive population growth, the organization of labor, and the establishment of city societies as we know them today. What we today refer to as the digital revolution began sometime between the 1950s and the 1970s. This revolution represented the transition from analog, mechanical, and electronic technologies to digital technologies. The first digital computer was developed during this period. During the 1990s, things went to the next level when the Internet became available. The digital revolution with the computer and the Internet has brought us to what we today call the information society. The information society has created a knowledge-based society which is important in itself and which has also had a significant impact on both the manufacturing and service sectors by, among other things, enabling the optimization of manufacturing processes and providing a foundation for mass customization. However, the most interesting aspect of these developments is neither the information society nor the knowledge society, it is the digitalization. Digital products have a number of characteristics that set them apart from the physical products we are familiar with today. Science and technology have undoubtedly made our life easier and faster. Almost everything we see around us is the gift of science and technology, whether it is smartphones, fans, electricity, microwave, radio, television, laptops, wheel, vehicles, cloth, paper, toothbrushes, etc. We need science and technology in every area of our life. We must always hope to make an effort and ensure that inventions and discoveries in these areas are always used in the interest of the entire human race and to make the world a better place for you. Scientific knowledge teaches us to express our civic aspirations, our desire to connect with others and contribute to the world around us. Science and technology have penetrated every aspect of our lives, changing the way we work, how we learn, and how we shop. Science and technology have facilitated human life and made us feel comfortable and enabled us to live in a modern way of life. With the help of things like microwaves, fans, smartphones, and cars, science and technology have made cooking, sleeping, and communicating and transportation easier and faster. We also use technology to communicate with other people around the globe and share information, clean our clothes, prepare our meals, move from one place to another, and in all everyday items like floorboards, door locks, and furniture are technologies that we now take for granted that seem less impressive to us than self-driving cars or 3D printing. Information technology, including the Internet, is an excellent gift of technology. With the help of the Internet, Not only do we get tremendous knowledge in science and other materials, but we also keep communicating with our friends and families constantly. The internet and related tools are already playing major and important roles in areas like data mapping and visualization, crowdsourcing, and more. Internet facilitates communication and spreading the word now with just one click and maybe one tweet. That's all anyone needs to do these days to share something with a social network. Knowledge of Science AE. Knowledge of science and technology has transformed human psychology and physiology. Science has given man an opportunity to create cultures, pursue societal concerns such as ethics, aesthetics, and justice, and improve human conditions. Science and technology feed each other, propelling both forward. Scientific knowledge allows us to make new observations about the world, build more scientific and technical knowledge, and build new technologies. Science and technology make us think differently, feel differently, and even dream differently. Some technological devices and applications can improve your working memory, fluid intelligence, and multitasking skills. Science and technology have made a great contribution to the field of education. The process of science is intertwined with technology applications. Scientific knowledge allows us to solve practical problems, make informed decisions, and develop new technologies. Science has given us tremendous knowledge, and therefore we have an important matter to study, while technology has made education itself easier, and it has provided us with options such as smart classes, electronic libraries, e-books, multimedia devices, etc. Teaching technological literacy, critical thinking, and problem-solving allows children to adjust to their own pace of learning, and gives them the skills and knowledge they need to succeed in school and beyond. Science generates solutions for everyday life and helps us to answer the great mysteries of the universe. In other words, science is one of the most important channels of knowledge. It has a specific role as well as a variety of functions for the benefit of our society, creating new knowledge, improving education, and increasing the quality of our lives.
This concludes our video lecture for today. That was Adam, your instructor's virtual assistant, and I'm Dorothy, his colleague and friend. If you have any inquiries, please help yourself and ask your instructor. Thank you for watching.